Hello again. Let's talk a little bit about visual recognition. Visual recognition is the ability of the learner to recognize the word families in general. This is probably an expression that I came up with because I wanted to introduce a concept for learners when I'm teaching them to reproduce language. Because there's a principle that I truly believe that language learning is about recycling as much vocabulary as possible and not as memorizing as much vocabulary as possible. You need to recycle these kind of vocabulary, whether by reading a lot or by practicing speaking, communicating with people, transactionally, because language is supposed to be a social organism and it is found in society. So you need to be able to use it and misuse it. You need to fail a lot.
Fail big. That's right.
Denzel Washington, he said in one of his speeches. What I want you to understand that the first step in using the correct word choice in English is to be able to visually recognize that this word belongs to that word. I'll give you an example here. The word accuse, accusation, accusing, and accusingly, they are all related to the same family. So if you know the word accuse, you'll definitely guess the meaning of the accusation and accusing and accusingly. So nouns, adjectives, and adverbs are all together peripheral and related to the verb. Some people attribute the verb to the noun, vice versa, but the point to be made here is that guessing one word is probably going to help you guess three more words. So that's the reproduction of language, that you can learn one word, and building on that word, you can learn other words. So I'll leave you with a document here. In this document, the use of statistics is really important because it shows you the most common verbs and their derivations here. So argue, argument, arguable, argumentative, arguably. They're all together related to the same, tied together to the same concepts, to the same original word or root. Condition, condition, conditional, conditionally. Destroy, destruction, destructive, and destructively. Drink, drunkenness, drunk, drunken, and drunkenly. Entertain, entertainment, entertaining, and entertainingly. Expression, expressive, and expressively. This is the duplication of words. That this kind of trick is going to help you guess the word, predict the meaning, and try to respond accordingly. So you don't need to memorize. You just need to recycle these words and try to come up with other tricks in addition to this one that are conducive to learning. But there is a caveat here. The caveat is you need to understand the meaning of the basic verb or the basic noun in order to be able to guess the other meanings that are peripheral. Thank you very much.